Hi, it's Prash from PB Motor Group again. So this is our third and final video for this BMW e46. It's been fully restored now. So we're going to have a quick walk around the car, show you what we've done and let me know what your thoughts are. So let's start with the lock barrel. We've had to get that from Germany, from BMW, ordered it, fitted it, got a new key made. So we've got two keys for this vehicle now. When we got the car delivered, it didn't even have a rear quarter glass, so that's been fully installed, again to manufacturer specification. And then the wheels, as you've seen from our previous videos, all four of our wheels were completely corroded. These are genuine MV1 wheels. The only thing we've done is taken them all off, and they've been fully powder coated, as you can see. They're looking like brand new. Also, we've sprayed the calipers, all four of them, silver, just to give it that nice finish. As you've seen from last time, there were dents on the door, all gone now. Dent man taking them all out. Let's go to the back of the car. We've also had these central lights replaced. The other ones look a bit mucky and discoloured, so we decided to change them, make it look fresh. There are a few more dents over on this side as well. Again, all been removed. You can see from the wheels on this side as well, all brand spanking new. And then we had these side repeaters changed. Again, they were discoloured, they look nice, so we went for the clear ones. Again, original from BMW. Now coming over to the front of the car, we've had the BMW emblem badge replaced. Again, the old one was corroded, it was all discoloured. So again, it finishes the car off. Now let's talk about all the components that we've changed in the car. So we've changed the ABS pump, we've changed the oil level switch. We've changed the airbags that have been done front. That was a BMW recall, so that was done at the start. The lock barrel's been changed. We've had a new key replaced. We've had the 3-stage polish carried out in the paintwork to restore it back to its original. We've had all the leather restored, all the carbon inside restored. We were working on a budget, so we started with a budget of £1,500 to spend on the vehicle to restore it. And we managed to do this on a budget purely because most of the work was carried out in-house, and we were basically scrubbing the car ourselves to get that finish and stick within our budgets. So yesterday I put the car onto Auto Ready. Yesterday was the 21st of April. I put the car onto Auto Ready for sale. Literally within 45 minutes of the advert going live, I received a call from Northern Ireland, had a video call, showed him around the car. He absolutely loved it and he left me a deposit. So this project is now complete. The customer will be arranging his own delivery back to Northern Ireland. If there is any projects that you want us to carry out, please let us know. It's something we can look into. We're always looking to carry out more projects. In the meanwhile, please like us, please like our YouTube channel, please subscribe, please share us. Also, we're on Instagram as well at PB Motor Group. Please give us a follow. Thank you.